Managing nutrition can feel overwhelming. Thankfully, mobile apps help track food intake and suggest meal plans. Let's explore the best nutrition and cooking apps available. MyFitnessPal is a top choice for tracking calories. Log meals quickly, monitor macronutrients, and track physical activity all in one app. MyFitnessPal features an extensive food database and a barcode scanner for easy logging. Perfect for calorie management and fitness goals. Yazio is great for personalized meal plans that focus on balanced nutrition with a detailed tracking of vitamins and minerals. This app offers barcode scanning and recipe suggestions aligned with your dietary goals, making it a holistic approach to nutrition. FatSecret provides community features for meal logging and exercise tracking. It's perfect for those who enjoy social aspects of fitness. With community features, exercise logs, and a large food database, FatSecret makes tracking food intake impactful and straightforward. Tasty by BuzzFeed offers video tutorials and a huge recipe collection, perfect for beginners who want to explore cooking. Find step-by-step instructions and recipe searches based on ingredients, making meal preparation enjoyable and accessible. Paprika Recipe Manager organizes recipes and meal plans while offering online recipe importing and offline access. This app is great for keeping track of recipes and streamlining your cooking process efficiently. Allrecipes provides a vast selection of user-generated recipes, along with detailed instructions and meal suggestions. With reviews and ingredient tips, Allrecipes helps users discover popular meals while providing the community feedback. Green Kitchen focuses on healthy, plant-based recipes with a beautiful design and nutritional information. This app provides a variety of vegan and vegetarian dishes, along with helpful tips on healthy eating. Nutrition and cooking apps are valuable tools for improving food habits and exploring new recipes. Use them to meet your dietary goals.